Hello guys, welcome to Pixel Syntax Tutorials. Today's topic is Laravel in a nutshell. Today we are going to discuss what is Laravel and how to install Laravel. So guys, Laravel is a modern PHP framework developed by Taylor Otwell. It's a MVC framework. MVC stands for Model, View and Controller. Model is something where we write database related logics. View is something which is visible in the browser, that is HTML, JavaScript and CSS. And controller is a place where we write the business logic. Business logic is something where we deal with the requests sent from the browser and whatever our server is going to respond. Whatever is happening between this is known as the business logic. And guys, it is a developer friendly framework because trust me, it is very easy to write code in Laravel. Once you will start using it, you are going to love it. It's a security first framework, so you don't need to worry much about the security thing because it is already taken care by Laravel. And Laravel provides a huge ecosystem of tools which can reduce the efforts you are going to put in the development process. And Laravel boasts about its active community, a very huge community. So whenever you get stuck somewhere while coding, or if you are not able to find any solution to the problem, you just need to open google.com and you need to type your query and definitely you are going to find the answers. Or directly you can go to Stack Overflow and you can try searching the answer there. Trust me, most of the time you will find the answer. In case it is not there, raise a question and there is a very huge community who will definitely try their best to help you. And the cherry on the cake is it's an open source. It means you can browse the code base in GitHub. You can go through the code and you can learn so many things. And if you want to contribute to that code, you can try doing that. So guys, today I'm going to teach you that how to install Laravel in your computer. So just try to follow along with me. I'm opening a website named herd.laravel.com. Here I'm going to use Herd. Herd is an environment developed by Laravel itself, which provides all the required tool to build a Laravel application. It comes with two versions, free and a pro one. So in this tutorial I'm going to use the free version. Okay, let's start this. Open a website named herd.laravel.com. Once you go there, you will be able to see the download option. As I am using Mac, so it is showing download for Mac OS for me. And in case you are using Windows, you can click for looking for Windows. And here you will be able to see the download options for Windows. But as I am using Mac, so I'm going back and I'm downloading the Mac option. Okay guys, after this you can download and install Herd in your operating system, whatever you are using, whether it's Mac OS or Windows. Once it will be installed, then in Mac you will be able to access in the top bar. And for Windows you will be able to access it in the taskbar. Okay guys, click on the Herd icon and select the setting option. Here you can see Herd provides two different paths where you can install your Laravel project. So it's up to you which option you choose. I'm going to select the second option, that is user/pixelsyntax/herd. I'm going to create a project here. Okay guys, so I have opened a terminal in Mac, and if you are using Windows, you need to open the command prompt. Here I'm typing cd space then the path specified in Herd, that is /users/pixelsyntax/herd. After this I am pressing an enter. Here I am typing the command ls to see the content inside the folder. If you are using Windows, you can type dir and press enter. It will display the content of the folder, and it seems the folder is empty, so it's good. Okay, now let's open laravel.com and Click on Get Started. Now I'll go to the installation screen. Here I can see this command composer global require laravel /installer. So basically this is the installer for Laravel. What I need to do is to copy this command, go to my terminal and paste the command. This will install the Laravel installer using Composer. And guys, you need to install it for once only. For future Laravel installation, you don't need to do it, because once it will be installed, it will be used for the future Laravel installations. Okay, it seems it is installed now. Now I am going to create the application using this command laravel -new and the name of my project. So for my project, I am typing the name as Nutshell, which is going to be the name of my project, and I have pressed enter. Now Laravel is giving me an option, that is, would you like to install a starter kit? So guys, Laravel provides two different starter kits named Laravel Breeze and Laravel Jetstream. As this is our first tutorial, so I am not going to use any starter kit, and that's why I am selecting no starter kit option and pressing the enter. Now it is asking another option, which testing framework do you prefer? Right now we are not going to use any testing framework, but as we have to select one option, so I am going to select best for this. And I have pressed the enter again. Now you can see it is installing Laravel. Okay guys, here is one more option appearing on my screen. So it is asking me to select a database. Here I am going to select SQLite, which is a file-based database system. And again it is asking, would you like to run the default database migrations? I'm going to select yes. As you can see, it has created few database tables. So right now you don't need to worry about the migrations. And trust me, in future I'm going to cover a complete lesson for this database migrations. Okay, here you can see the installation is done, and now it is displaying some information that the application is ready in Nutshell. Nutshell is the name of our project folder, and it is suggesting us to go to the folder using cd nutshell and giving few commands like npm install &&npm run build. After this, one more command is there, that is composer run dev. So guys, we need to do the cd definitely to reach to our project folder, and after this we need to type npm install to install the node packages. But right now we don't need to run this npm run build or composer run dev, because these commands should be used before making the project live. We need to build the project using these commands, but right now it is not required, so we'll skip it. Okay guys, here I am going to type the command cd space nutshell, and I am inside the folder now where the Laravel project exists. And now I am going to open this project inside my Visual Studio Code editor. If you do not have this editor, you can go to Google and type Visual Studio Code and the website will come, and after this you can install it based upon your operating system. If you are using Mac, you can install the Mac version. If you are using Windows, you can download the Windows version. So okay guys, once it is installed, you can start the Visual Studio Code and you can open the folder directly using this open folder option. Otherwise, you can go to the file menu and there you can select the option to open the folder. That is one way of doing it, and the another simplest way is I'm going back to my terminal and there I'm going to type code space dot. When we type code space dot, then it automatically opens the project in the Visual Studio Code. So guys, as you can see, now the project is open inside the Visual Studio Code. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the terminal and I'll open a new terminal. Here I'm going to type npm install. As you can see, the npm installer is installing the node folders. Okay, it seems done now. And here the node underscore module folder is visible. If you'll click on this, you'll be able to see all the modules which are installed using this command. Okay guys, now I'm going to run one more command, that is npm run dev. This will basically run white, which is responsible for the compilation of the JavaScript. It is useful when we use any front-end library like React or Vue or maybe Livewire. Right now it is not required, but still I'm running it because it's always good to run it. And as you can see, it is giving us a app URL, that is http nutshell.test. So now I'm going to click on this. If you'll move your mouse, you will be able to see that I need to press the command and click it in Mac. And in case you are using Windows, you need to press Ctrl and click on it. Okay guys, so I have clicked it. And now you can see a new browser window is opened. It is displaying the default page for the Laravel installation. And now you can see the Laravel installation is done and running fine. Okay guys, this video ends here. So in the next video, I'm going to explain you the Laravel routing along with the Laravel directory structure. Thank you for watching the video.